Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Hare
Looking really cute.
Hari Hari Mukunda Murali Rama Krishna Hare
Who all are going to speak? What are the people?
Hari Hari Mukunda Murali Hari Hari Mukunda Murali Rama Krishna Hare Krishna Hari Hari Mukunda Murali Rama Krishna Hare Vidyachari Jiva Vibha
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Vamana
Hare Krishna
Madhusudana
Hare Krishna
Vamana
Hare Krishna Krishna
Madhusudana
Hare Krishna
Nanandana Rama Vamana Madhusudana Nanandana Shama Utana Bhatana Kaitava Satana Jaya Dasarathi Rama Utana Bhatana Kaitava Satana Jaya Dasarathi Yashoda Dula Govinda Go Yashoda Dula Govinda Gopala Manapurandana Yashoda Dula
We'll make all lotus. You can make like the pure if you want. Long. No, it's all good. Open area looks good.
Yashoda Dula Govinda Gopala Yashoda Dula Govinda Gopala Vrindavala Purandana
Fast. Aarti should finish in by the time she seems to go to it. Not that 2 players, 3 players, that
Gopi Priya Jana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundarabharan Gopi Priya Jana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundarabharan Ravolanta Kara Ravolanta Kara Makhana Takara Gopi Jana Bhaktahari
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Ravolanta Kara Gopi Jana Hari Braja Rakhale Gopo Vrindavana Chittaha Banshidhari Brajanda Rakhale Gopo Vrindavana Chittaha Banshidhari Bhavati Alaka Pramesha Vivaki
Hare Krishna. Yes, show Mataji, you can show the video. Hare Krishna, show Mataji, you wanted to show a video?
Yes, Prabhuji.
This is a video about His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj, so you can have a look. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I've transferred for Zoom. You can share it with
Remind
talk
me
about
to
Diksha, some people, 11 people.
what 11 people. Why don't you process the papers here? Make somebody else train. You train. You'll process.
If it's near, then they can fill it up.
Prabhuji, is this visible? Prabhuji, screen is
Yeah, visible. It's visible.
Bhakti is devotion, devotion to the spiritual path. Looking for a spiritual path. I had already tried Buddhism, trying esoteric Judaism. So doing yoga, tried some other Western processes like astral projection. Then I decided I needed a guru. and one lady turned her head. She looked at me. I saw a white mark on her forehead. I don't know where I saw that before. This lifetime, I hadn't seen it. And when I saw it, I got so frightened. The hairs were standing up in the back of on my back. I was like that, totally freaked out. And I ran as fast as I could. I ran and I ran. I ran for like 2 kilometers. And when I got back, they were gone. Someone taught me how to chant mantra. I chanted for 6 hours nonstop, and I got such an experience. It was so powerful. This chanting of the holy names is so powerful. I'd done many kinds of meditation before, but nothing had so much effect on me like this. It was inexplicable. And then, like that, I went to Montreal. I met Prabhupada, and he gave me a lot of mercy. I committed. I took initiation. And her husband is not devotee, really. Sometimes he sat in the Bhakti Vriksha meeting, but there was some transformation happening. But I can say that by Bhakti Vriksha, gradually I got changed. Now I've given up intoxication. Now I'm vegetarian. And I'm chanting 8 rounds a day. And I want to chant one day 16 and take initiation. In 2008, Guru Maharaj had a stroke, which kind of paralyzed half of his body. And although he has so many physical challenges, he is traveling all over the world still and doing a lot of preaching programs, taking the devotees into safari, establishing Bhakti Vriksha more and more in different places, helping the devotees, doing all kind of programs that are almost impossible for a person that is physically challenged. And I'm hoping one day I'll become a pure devotee.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. You can speak about our Guru Maharaj.
You can send me the program schedule again.
Yes, Prabhuji. I'll send it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Mataji, you have located all the people, children who are going to do the...
Yes, Prabhuji. I have asked them to put hash before their name, prefix hash. They have done. Yeah.
Okay, so be ready.
Yes.
And sequence. And what is the sequence program?
Yes, Prabhuji. Now after Guru Maharaj joins Guru Puja, after
Yeah.
welcome note, and its program will start for 10 minutes. After that, report on Gita 18. Then adults will share their realization. After that, Arati to Bhagavad Gita. Finally, address by...
ready? Hey, you have forgotten to tell him. Arati ka Gita. Gita ko mountain banana hai. He forgot. He had that plan, no? Huh? Chalo, some.
You can keep here.
No. Gita Arati, where we will do? In front of the altar or here only? No, Gita Arati.
In front of the Lord.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. A warm welcome to one and all to this program. We have successfully completed 1 year of this journey. So many more to come. Need everyone's support to make this program successful. Now, the Kirtan by the temple devotees. Prabhuji, Kirtan by temple devotees now for some time, until Guru Maharaj joins.
Yeah. Ashidara, you sing. Ashiva, you sing. Sing, your volume should come.
Namayo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namini
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine
Namaste Sarvadeve Gauravani Krishnarini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Vashagyadishatarini
Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Vashagyadishatarini
Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Radha Srivasadi Bhakta Vrinda
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Hare Krishna
Guru Maharaj, there is now it is already 1,000. Already 1,000. How Guru Maharaj will join?
I was seeing this happening. Okay, I'll get a news. Don't worry.
Yes.
Mahavara.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Joining. So somebody
Krishna,
leaves, then they
Krishna,
can come back.
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
bol. Hari bol.
Hare Krishna.
He has come now to locate him. Can you also try to locate Mataji and make him the no, that
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, yes. I am making him.
you located him?
Yes, yes.
Guru Maharaj ki
Jai.
His Holiness Jai Pataka Maharaj ki
Jai.
Jai Pataka Maharaj ki
Jai.
Guru Maharaj is small. Mataji start singing.
Yes. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma Bando Mui Savadhana Mate Jahara Prasade Bhat E Bhavatoriya Jat Krishna Prapti Hoy Jaha Hoy Te Jaha Hoy Te Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitte Te Koriya Aikya Arana Tori Ho Mane Asha की जय.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj. It's so nice to have you today. So for all of you, His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj is a direct disciple of Srila Prabhupada. He is also a sannyasi since the last 50 years, and he is our ISKCON governing body commission member also. And he is been inspiration for this whole course. Last year, Pani at the time only, he had come and requested us, why don't you start online course? And by Krishna's grace, this has become successful to some extent. And we wanted to offer to Guru Maharaj bless us so the program can go on successfully. Today, we are Guru Maharaj completing almost 1 year, few more days we have done. So we wanted to, these are all the people. Some of them are here. We have covered few lakh people, and some of them want to express their gratitude. And first, small children want to sing some prayer welcoming you. All the people who are in this course here, they have been introduced to Krishna consciousness from this course only. They are in different parts of the world. We have physically not seen them, but thousands are chanting now 16 rounds. As every month we have a Sankalpa after the program, and many thousands take Sankalpa to chant 1 round. So today wanted to celebrate this function, Guru Maharaj, in your presence. So wanted few children to first sing, then I wanted few people to express how they felt. Then after that, you want to do Aarti for Bhagavad Gita. Then after that, your address to all of us. Shobha Mataji, you like children to offer praise?
Yes. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Dandavat Pranams. Please accept my respectful obeisances. All glories to you, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. With your blessings, our children classes are going very well. About 50,000 kids have completed Gita 18 course, experienced the change and chanting regularly. Kids are excited to show some activities. If you bless us with some time, we would be happy to present it. I'm going to unmute Medha and Meha. Hare Krishna. Can you please unmute?
Hare Krishna.
Can you please on your video? Yes. Right. Yes, you can unmute.
Vrajai vrajai kamandana samasta papa khandanam swabhakta chittaranjanam sadeva nandanandanam supiksha guchchamastakam sunadu venu hastakam anangaranga sagaram namami krishna sagaram मनोज गर्व मोचनम विशाल लोल लोचनम विभूत गोप शोचनम नमामि पद्मलोचनम करारविंद भूधरम स्मितामलोक सुंदरम महेंद्र माननारणम नमामि कृष्ण वारणम कदम्ब सूर कुंडलम सुचारु गंड मंडलम व्रजांगजैकवल्लभम नमामि कृष्ण दुर्लभम यशोदया समुदया सगोपया सनंदया युतं सुखैकदायकं नमामि गोपनायकम् वो भवावतारकं भवाग्निकर्णधारकं यशोमती किशोरकं नमामि चित्रचोरकं दगन्तकान्तभङ्गिनं सदा सदा न संगीनं दिने दिने नवं नवं नमामि नन्दसम्भवम् गुणाकरं सुखाकरं कृपाकरं कृपाकरं सुरत्तिशन्निकन्दनं नमामि गोपनन्दनं नवीन गोपनागरं नवीन केनिरं पटं नमामि वेगसुन्दरं तडित्रबालसत्पटम् समस्त गोपनन्दनं हृदम्बुजैकमोदनं नमामि कुञ्जमध्यकं प्रसन्नभानुशोभनं निकामकामदायकं दगन्तचारुसायकं रसालुवेणुदायकं नमामि कुञ्जनायकम्
विदत्त गोपिका मनोपितर्पशायिनं नमामि कुञ्जकानने प्रवृत्त वह्निपायिनं यथा तथा तथैव कृष्ण सत्कथा मया सदैव लीयतां तथा कृपा विधीयता प्रमाणिकाश्नकद्वयं च पद्यडिठ्ठया पुमन् भवे सनन्दनन्दने भवे भवेषु भक्तिमन् प्रमाणिकाश्नकद्वयं च पद्यडिठ्ठया पुमन् भवे सनन्दनन्दने भवे भवेषु भक्तिमन् भवे भवेषु भक्तिमन् भवे भवेषु भक्ति.
Yes. Hare Krishna, Risha. Can you please, Risha is going to share his experience. He attended our Bhagavad Gita 18 days class. Hare Krishna, Risha.
Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada and all glories to His Holiness Jai Padaka Swami Maharaj. I thank Namanishta Prabhuji for giving me an opportunity to participate in Bhagavad Gita course. During this session, I learned more than 35 slokas and many Krishna stories. I also chant one round of Hare Krishna Mahamantra daily and take prasadam. This Bhagavad Gita course is helping me to grow spiritually. I thank ISKCON Mangaluru wholeheartedly. I learned the importance of Guru. Only by approaching a Guru one can know about Krishna. Tatvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadikshanti te jnanam jnananastatvadarshanaha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mayra. Can you please share your experience? Yeah, can you please sing a song?
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj Dandavat Pranam. Bhaja Gauranga Kaha Gauranga Laha Gaurangero Namare. Bhaja Gauranga Kaha Gauranga Laha Gaurangero Namare. Jai Jana Gauranga Bhaji Shihoya mere prana re. Bhaja Gauranga Kaha Gauranga Laha Gaurangero Namare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gauratarinda. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Nittai Gaura Hari Bol Nittai Gaura Hari Bol. Gauranga Hari Bol Guru Maharaj.
Hari Bol. In our journey, many joined classes and thereafter joined the movement. They started volunteering and then some of them started chanting 16 rounds and elevated to become teacher as well, dear Guru Maharaj. So the children who have elevated themselves as teacher by attending this course would like to share their experience. Hare Krishna hate.
Hare
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Our Bala Gurus and Guru Maharaj. They're only 12-year-old, but he's a teacher already.
Okay. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranams. I am Hit Katrecha and I am here to share my spiritual experience. Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to His Grace Namanishta Das Prabhuji along with his facilitator team who has enlightened many people in Krishna consciousness by introducing this course in these difficult pandemic times. I had begun my spiritual journey on July 1st, 2021, where I had registered myself for attending this course. The teachings of the Bhagavad Gita given in this short duration of 18 days were truly remarkable and enlightening. It had given me new hope in these depressing times. It had also fructified my desire for more association of devotees. After doing admin services, fortunately, in the 13th batch, which had started from 3rd May, by Prabhupada's mercy, I got an opportunity to preach for children's class. It was a truly remarkable journey from being a student to becoming a teacher of 300 kids. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Dear Guru Maharaj, a group of specially abled children from Karnataka attended Kannada Children Bhagavad Gita class and participated actively and benefited by this course. All children have started chanting Mahamantra now. So they are doing Sankirtan Yajna every day. And yes, Prabhu. Yes. Yes, Rakshita, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Guruji. Mataji.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna. Barka, Barka Nair, she wants to share her experience. Hare Krishna, Barka Nair.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranamam. I learned many shlokas of Bhagavad Gita as well as Lord Krishna's pastime also. After I attend Bhagavad Gita classes, I pray and chant to Lord Krishna every day in the evening. My favorite shlokas of Bhagavad Gita are Chatur shlokas of 10th chapter. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate idi matva bhajante ma buddha bhava samanvitaha macchitta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam kadayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mamupayanti te teshamevanukampartam aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayami atmabhavasto jnanadipena bhashvata. Hare Krishna.
Mannat Chawla, who has elevated herself as a teacher by attending this course, would like to share her experience. Hare Krishna, Mannat.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, Thunder Pranams, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Please accept my humble obeisances at the dust of your lotus feet. So, when Srila Prabhupada was instructed by his spiritual master to preach Krishna consciousness, he took his order as his life and soul and fixed his determination upon coming it out diligently. Similarly, His Grace Namanishta Prabhuji planted the seed of devotional service in hearts of thousands of fallen souls by the beautiful 18-day Bhagavad Gita course and inject the transcendental knowledge which alone can extinguish the fire of the material existence. I joined from the third batch of the Bhagavad Gita course. So as Prabhupada has given us a very valuable slogan that preaching is the essence, books are the basis, utility is the principle, and purity is the force. Now I'm taking the advantage of Krishna consciousness through Sri Radha Govinda Temple, ISKCON Mangaluru, under the guidance of His Grace Namanishta Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Maharaj.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Manat. Tushar Maya, who has elevated himself as a teacher by attending this course, and he would like to share his experience. Hare Krishna, Tushar Maya. Can you please unmute?
Maharaj, he is the son of Shubhamay Mataji.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj Ji. Dandavat pranams. Please accept my respectful obeisances. All glories to you, all glories to Shri Prabhupada Ji. So first of all, I would like to thank His Grace Namanishta Prabhu for giving me such a wonderful opportunity of spreading the great message of Bhagavad Gita written by Srila Prabhupada Ji. And I have taught Bhagavad Gita for three batches, and the experience was really great for me. I myself, I learned so many new things when I was trying to teach the children. And when I saw those the smiles in the faces of the children, so many people interested for chanting, so many people interested to read about Bhagavad Gita, to learn about Bhagavad Gita, that made me really very happy. It was a wonderful experience, and I'm very happy that I got such a great chance. And I seek your blessings so that I'll be able to do more in future. Let me be able to progress even better in the future. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Now, can we present a report about Gita 18? Namanishta Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
It was last year that Guru Maharaj was visiting us, and we had hardly any devotees. When Panihati said he will visit, I was struggling. How will I manage? I was actually in great difficulty, and somehow the mercy of Guru Maharaj, mercy of Shri Radha Govinda. That day, Panihati day it was, and Guru Maharaj revealed to us, what did you do? Chennai, they are doing 6,000. I was thinking if Sumitra Prabhu can do 6,000, I will do 10,000, sense of competition. I made a poster and we started off. And this is the first batch we had. And we thought we will get only 200, 300 registration. I said, all the classes will be smaller than 25. This was the first poster. Then, but the short was it was 10,000, and second batch, third batch, fourth batch. Now 15th batch is going to start. We have phenomenally done almost 500,000 people registration. And it is being taught now in 9 languages, practically covering all the main languages now. And Guru Maharaj last time instructed us to also start Tulu. We have Guru Maharaj started that, and it has been very successful. All the people attend this Tulu classes, land up in the temple next Sunday, to meet us, because it's just all local people. And it's being held in 4 levels now, as Krishna has revealed to us. First level, we do the 18-day course, which is one teacher does it. The second level that go into like a model of Bhakti Shastri, 4 books of study in 6 modules, 3 of Bhagavad Gita modules, and one each of 3 books in a simple way. And the course is finished within 3 months, 2 classes on the weekend. Level 3, again, 2 classes on the weekend, 3 months, again, these books, and 6 teachers take the 6 modules. And level 4 is the Bhakti Shastri, which is also started in English already. It takes around 1 year. And we also have in English language daily 4 additional classes for them. And each class, anything you do is very crowded. There are a lot of people taking advantage. They come in the morning 5:30 for japa. Some people come 8 o'clock for Bhagavatam class. 3 o'clock we do Gauri Lila. That time also people are there. 8 o'clock we do Krishna. At that time also people are there. So all the languages are implementing this. Similarly, for children, we started program. It has been very successful. We have also 8 languages children program going on. Level 1 you do Gita 18 class. And then for children, we have opened up a school wherein 8 classes are taught for 1 year each. So this will be good, so that we will be able to retain more children with us, and teach the amount of volunteers which are doing services, even though they are not visible now. There are around 500, 600 volunteers doing services. Teachers, we have crossed 50 teachers, already 56 teachers now. Then we have admins. We have around 100 admins who assist the teacher. In fact, we can hardly take a class without them. They take care of everything. They take care of WhatsApp groups. They take care of messages. They, before the class, they chant all the shlokas of Gita. They take care of bhajans. They take care of assisting the teacher in answering questions. We have volunteer facilitator. We give them every 50, 100 students, we have a volunteer facilitator. They see that they don't leave the course. They keep in touch with them through the course. We have volunteer chat support. Anybody has a problem can go to website. There's 100 people are there for 18 hours a day, taking out any questions from them very professionally. And we have technical support. We have hardly everything is free. All people are doing free service, including website maintenance, publicity, translation, generation of certificates. So in fact, book distribution has been going very well. We have in this situation also distributing 300 sets every batch and 50 Bhagavatam sets be able to do. And that's as per the Gita course, Guru Maharaj. And as for the land, good news is that we are about to register the land now. In one shot, we are able to pay all the payment. And we are trying to convert into outright sale. Therefore, there has been a delay, and the local government is ready, but we have to get permission of state government. We are still working in that direction. We had visited the place, Guru Maharaj, all of us there, and we want your blessings, because if Krishna so permits, and if you bless us, Guru Maharaj, we want to do Bhumi Puja and start with construction on the Balaram Jayanti. That is 22nd August. Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Mataji, next.
Hare Krishna. Yes, some adults, teachers would like to share their experience. Can we make it now or after Guru Maharaj's speech? Yes, many have joined in our journey of Gita 18. So lakhs of people have attended Gita 18 classes, and thereafter they have joined this movement.
Excuse me, can you make us co-host?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So in case if you're coughing or what, we can unmute you or something.
Yeah.
Thank you for all the presentations.
Thank you for all the presentations.
Very efficiently done.
It's very efficiently done.
And I also appreciate all the different ages of children and youths
I also appreciate all the different ages of children and youths
who are participating in different ways,
who are participating in different ways,
share their realization.
share their realizations.
And what's next?
And what's next?
Yes, some adult teachers would like to share their experiences, Prabhuji, Maharaj, Guru Maharaj. Can I unmute them? Just they'll speak for 1 minute each teachers. 5 teachers are there. Yes, Aishwarya Mataji, Hare Krishna Mataji. Would you like?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Dandat Pranam. Came and course. It was during lockdown. We didn't know what to do, and we saw the message in Facebook. So we just joined, and 2 batch did some co-hosting, and it was Namanishta Prabhu's mercy that he told us to take up courses. And then my Prabhu is taking in Malayalam. I was asked to take children's class. It was tough, Guru Maharaj, in the beginning, but later on, because of your mercy and Prabhupada's mercy, we could do something, some service. We always wanted to serve Prabhupada in some way, his mission. Thank you so much for your mercy, Guru Maharaj. Our glories to you. And a special thanks to Namanishta Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Anuradha Mataji.
Mataji, louder.
Your volume.
Mataji, louder. Yeah.
Able to hear Prabhuji now?
Yes, yes.
Hare Krishna.
My journey started towards Krishna consciousness in the month of October 2020 when I joined 18 days Gita program with Shobha Mataji in the Kannada batch of 3 p.m. So that's the day I started towards Krishna consciousness, and from then there is no looking back. She was so wonderful and imbibed the Krishna consciousness in us, and I'm very thankful to her. And she also gave me an opportunity to teach Kannada kids batch from past 2 batches. I'm handling the class. I'm very happy that I'm able to do my service to Krishna, and I'm very thankful to Mangaluru ISKCON for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to do seva. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Thank you so much, Guru Maharaj. Thank you so much, Shobha Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mangala Mataji.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Dandavad Pranam. I am Mangalam Krishnan, feeling so blessed to talk in front of you. I have been associated with ISKCON Mangaluru since last June 2020. I joined Understand Gita in 18 days session of Namanishta Das Prabhuji in June first batch. His inspiring words made me to chant 16 rounds within a month. On Ekadashi day, I chant 100 malas and do Nirjal fasting also. Again, solely due to motivation and encouragement of our Namanishta Das Prabhuji, I became a Tamil teacher, Tamil kids teacher from January 2021. It is a great privilege for me to be associated with ISKCON Mangaluru to all more as a teacher. Once again, my Dandavad Pranam Guruji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Dandeshwari Mataji, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna Mataji. All glories to Shri Radha Govinda and Srila Prabhupada. And I submit my obeisances to Jaipada Swamiji and Namanishta Das Prabhuji. It's a great opportunity, I can tell, and to share my gratitude towards this course, wherein I also joined the 18 days course, the first batch in the June under Prema Kishori Mataji. It was a very, and my sincere obeisance to her also. So being under her guidance, I was able to enlighten in this spiritual path and gain good knowledge in this. And then from January, I got this opportunity to serve Krishna as a teacher for the Tamil language for the adult session. Initially, I thought of doing for the children, but Prabhuji told, why can't you take adult directly? You have an experience of doing a lecturing also, as I mentioned. So I took that opportunity where the opportunity was given, and the 6 batches has gone. Seeing the devotees' response and how they feel after the courses, I only really feel so much happy and that self-containment I can tell in this service. And thank you once again for the ISKCON Mangaluru for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you. Danvan Pranams.
Hare Krishna, Devika Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj, and Dandavad Pranam. I am Devika Shetty. I started my association with Mangalore ISKCON since August 2020 by attending 18 days course. I have received this course details from one of the WhatsApp group, and I was very curious to know how IIT engineer will teach spirituality and about Krishna conscious. And in the first class, I was very much impressed by Namanishta Das teaching, and I was successfully finished my course with more satisfaction. I didn't know that this simple curiosity will transform my life and brings Krishna into my life. After finishing my course, I started doing a service as an admin and a co-host since September 2020. And now for Namanishta Das Prabhuji's mercy, I'm able to do more services with more responsibility. With this responsibility, sometimes I need to extend my day as well as night, but I never feel tired. But instead, I get more immense happiness to do this service for Krishna as well as Namanishta Das Prabhuji's. I really don't feel I'm deserved to do this service, but because of the mercy of Lord Krishna, Prabhupadas and Namanishta Das Prabhuji's, I'm able to do this by this. Prabhu has given me an opportunity to do this. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Maharaj. Prabhuji, now shall we do Arati to Bhagavad Gita or how, Guru Maharaj?
I will a short Arati, Guru Maharaj, 2 minutes to Bhagavad Gita.
Short Arati for Bhagavad Gita. And Guru Maharaj will let us. Yeah. Krishna.
Okay, Bhagavad Gita. Guru Maharaj is our deity, Shri Radha Govinda. Sing. Namayom Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nami Namayom Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyatyadushakarini Namaste Gauravani Pracharini Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Prabhu Nityananda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Guru Maharaj, please accept our obeisances. We are not qualified. You have given us opportunity for this service. And all of us would like to hear you, take inspiration, and please guide us, correct us, encourage us. Yes, Maharaj. Guru Maharaj, we are waiting for you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes. No. Prabhu, can you hear us now?
We can hear. Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. So Prabhu, we have like another 10 more minutes. I mean, we know that we joined the program quite late. Sorry for that. So what is the program after Guru Maharaj's address?
That's the final.
That's the final. Okay. So he will be addressing you for 10-15 minutes and then we'll end the program. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Now, Mr. Vara, Krishna Prasad Bhutale, Srimati Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Shidamane. Namaste Sar Satyadevi Gaurani, Acharya Shesa, Sanyavadi Vachati Krishna. Vakakavati Vachala Mangala Gaide, Yati Sata Vahandande, Sri Gaudi Sainam, Parananda Madhavam, Sri Chaitanya Iswaram. Hari Om Tat Sat. I want to thank Anam Minister Prabhu for bringing me to this program.
So I want to thank Namanishta Prabhu for bringing me to this program.
And I'm very glad that it has expanded so much.
I'm very glad that it had expanded so much.
That I sent 15 batches. I heard
15 batches.
And
15, yes.
15, right, Prabhu?
1.5, yes.
Yeah.
And how the children are very enthusiastic that picked up many things.
How the children, they were very enthusiastic that they picked up many things.
How the teachers are inspired.
How the teachers are inspired.
Actually, there's 1,000 people on this meeting.
Actually, they said that there are 1,000 people in this meeting.
Is that correct?
Is that correct? Yes, Guru Maharaj. 916 are there now, Shila Guru Maharaj. 916 are there.
Guru Maharaj, most are on the YouTube channel. Live, it's live on YouTube. Only 1,000 capacity we had the room.
So Zoom is 1,000 and YouTube unlimited.
In Zoom is 1,000 and in YouTube it is unlimited, right?
Yes.
So how many on YouTube?
So how many are there on the YouTube?
We'll check and tell you.
They're checking it now, Shila Guru Maharaj.
So actually, some of the teachers have understood the actual secret.
Actually, some of the teachers have understood the actual secret.
That engaging in devotional service is the secret.
That engaging in devotional service is the secret.
That's what's missing in this world.
That's what's missing in this world.
Even the people that follow Varnashram, unless they worship Krishna, they head to hell.
So even people are following Varnashram, unless they are worshipping Krishna, they are heading towards hell.
And a little service, a little remembrance, it saves one from the greatest dangers.
Although little service, although remembrance, it saves one from great danger.
So, how the teachers, how the students are so inspired.
How the teachers, how the students were so inspired.
It's really enlivening.
That's really enlivening.
And the Lord Chaitanya, he gave 3 simple instructions.
Lord Chaitanya, he gave 3 simple instructions.
Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Shiksha.
Bolo Krishna, Bhajo Krishna, Kora Krishna Shiksha.
Chant Hare Krishna.
Chant Hare Krishna.
Worship Krishna or Bhaja Krishna, serve Krishna.
Worship Krishna or Bhajo Krishna or serve Krishna.
And study the teachings of Krishna.
And study the teachings of Krishna.
The Bhagavad Gita is by Krishna.
The Bhagavad Gita is by Krishna.
Srimad Bhagavatam is about Krishna.
And the Srimad Bhagavatam is about Krishna.
So they seem to be doing all the 3 things.
So the saying is that we should be doing all the 3.
They seem.
It seems that we are doing all the 3 things.
Congratulations.
So congratulations.
That you have given them a special mercy.
You had given the special mercy.
Everyone is getting the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, mercy of Radha Govinda.
Everyone is getting the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, getting the mercy of Radha Govinda.
Chanting Hare Krishna.
By chanting Hare Krishna.
Doing seva.
By doing seva.
The teaching, the learning.
They are teaching, they are learning.
And then doing different volunteer services.
And doing different volunteer services.
And then studying Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam.
And then studying Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam.
I heard that they can get the Bhakti Shastri degree.
I heard that they can get the Bhakti Shastri degree.
Is that true?
Is that true?
Yes, Guru Maharaj. You had already started that thing, and all the temple presidents, I applied to Mayapur Institute. They sent me the question bank and they start teaching. So I started.
You're an authorized teacher of Bhakti Shastri.
So you are an authorized teacher of Bhakti Shastri.
Guru Maharaj, not qualified, but they sent me the question bank and they told me start teaching.
So how long does it take to study Bhakti Shastri?
So how long does it take to study the Bhakti Shastri?
1 year. 1 year, Guru Maharaj.
1 year, Srila Guru Maharaj.
That's just at weekends.
That means that it's just at weekends, is it?
Only weekends. Only weekends.
Yes, Guru Maharaj. Yes, Srila Guru Maharaj.
So, any graduates yet?
Any graduate? Check.
Are there any graduates?
Are there any graduates there?
Just started. We have done 4 or 5 sessions only.
Prabhu, are there any graduates there?
4 or 5 sessions.
Okay.
So, this is very great. And how many rounds do people chant?
And how many rounds do people chant?
Bhakti Shastri minimum 16 rounds. Guru Maharaj, around 700 people registered. Minimum.
Of these 916 on Zoom, how many rounds they chant?
All these 916 on Zoom, how many rounds do they chant?
These are everybody. These are all minimum 1 round to 16 round.
These are, everyone is there, minimum 1 round to 16 round. All are there.
16 rounds, they are crorepati.
16 rounds, they are crorepati.
1 crore Hare Krishna mantra in a year.
1 crore of Hare Krishna.
Krishna name.
1 crore of Krishna's name in a year.
And 8 rounds is 5 million.
8 round is 5 million.
4 rounds is 2.5 million.
4 rounds is 2.5 million.
In 1 round is about 6 lakhs.
So 1 round is about 6 lakhs.
2 rounds is 1.25 million.
2 rounds is 1.25 million.
12.5 lakhs.
12.5 lakhs.
So everybody here is at least a lakpati.
Everybody here is at least a lakpati.
And maybe some are crorepati.
Maybe some are crorpatis.
And the bosses of Bombay, they say, "Kaun banayenge crorepati."
For suburbs of Bombay, they say it, "Kaun banayenge crorepati."
We are making crorepati of the Harinam.
We are making the crorepati of the Harinam.
They don't have to take birth again.
So they don't have to take birth again.
They don't have to come back in the animal species, I think.
Then they don't have to come back in the animal species again.
So we are reading in the Srimad Bhagavatam how Swayambhuva Manu, he was an emperor, and naturally he had a very high standard of enjoyment.
So we were reading in the Srimad Bhagavatam how Swayambhuva Manu, he was an emperor, and naturally how he had the extended
he had a very high standard of material enjoyment.
He had very high standard of material enjoyment.
A very comfortable life.
He had a very comfortable life.
But somehow he didn't degrade.
But somehow he didn't degrade.
Because he was always doing all his activities in a Krishna conscious way.
Because he was always doing his activities in a Krishna conscious way.
Some people are Vairagis or Brahmacharis.
Some people are Vairagis or Brahmacharis.
Naturally, they live in a very regular manner.
So they live in a very regular manner.
Some people are Grihastas.
Some people are Grihastas.
Most
people.
And if they do things in a Krishna conscious manner, then they stay highly elevated.
And if they do things in a Krishna conscious manner, then they stay very highly elevated.
And spiritual life.
And spiritual life. Spiritual life.
People to the fully Krishna conscious.
So we want people to be fully Krishna conscious.
And Lord Chaitanya taught whether they're Grihastha or whether they're Vairagi.
Lord Chaitanya taught whether they are Grihastha or a Vairagi.
If they chant Hare Krishna, they read the Bhagavad Gita, do service.
If they chant Hare Krishna, if they read the Bhagavad Gita, if they do the service,
they can all achieve the spiritual world.
They can all achieve the spiritual world.
In the Shankaracharya Mayavadi system,
in the Shankaracharya Mayavadi system,
you have to be a sannyasi to merge into the Brahma Jyoti.
You have to be a sannyasi to merge into the Brahma Jyoti.
But in the Bhakti Yoga system,
you don't need to be a
sannyasi.
You don't need to be a sannyasi.
We can be a grihastha.
We can be a grihastha.
And we can still achieve spiritual life.
And we can still achieve spiritual life.
We can achieve the spiritual world.
We can achieve the spiritual world.
I was very inspired to see all the children, how they are chanting slokas.
I was very inspired to see how the children, they were chanting the shlokas.
How the teachers were so grateful.
How the
devotional service.
How the teachers, they were so grateful for doing devotional service.
And everybody seems very enthusiastic.
Everybody seems to be very enthusiastic.
So I want to thank all everybody.
I want to thank everybody.
Especially I want to thank Namanishta Prabhu.
Especially I want to thank Namanishta Prabhu
for organizing this program.
For organizing this program.
I want everybody to chant Hare Krishna, to make their service to Krishna part of their life.
We want everybody to chant Hare Krishna and make service to Krishna as part of their life.
As husband and wives can work together.
As husband and wife, they can work together.
Eat prasadam.
Eat prasadam.
Chant Hare Krishna.
They chant Hare Krishna.
Worship the deities in the house.
Worship the deities in the house.
And help this Bhagavad Gita courses.
And help in this Bhagavad Gita courses.
Very good. We see that in this lockdown period, all the people have been engaged in Krishna consciousness.
We see in this lockdown, all the people are being engaged in Krishna consciousness.
How they become very expert
how they
bhakti yogas, yogis.
How they have become expert bhakti yogis.
Since everybody chants one round.
Since everybody chants one round.
Also what? They could take aspiring.
So since they're chanting one round, they can take aspiring.
If they want.
If they want.
You can raise their hands.
You can raise your hands.
And then later on you can tell me who wants to take shelter.
Later on you can tell me who wants to take shelter.
And shelter means 16 rounds.
And shelter means 16 rounds.
Shelter is the prelude to initiation.
Shelter is the prelude for initiation.
Aspiring means I pray for you.
Aspiring means I pray for you.
And it means that in the future you'd like to take initiation.
It means that in future you'd like to take initiation.
But it's you have to train them up.
But you have to train them up.
And at least they have to chant one round.
And at least they have to chant one round.
So I don't know if anyone would like to take
I don't know if
aspiring now.
I don't know if anyone would like to take aspiring now.
Yes, Guru Maharaj, more than 100 people have raised their hand. Yeah.
I see a lot of people raise their hand.
I see a lot of people are raising their hands.
Yes, yes, Guru Maharaj.
Mahavaraha, who can chant the mantras.
So, Mahavaraha Prabhu, who he can chant mantras. Okay. Still raising. All right. So those who've raised your hands, please repeat after me. I mean, we cannot expect all of you to. Yeah. If you don't want aspiring, put your hand down. It's optional. All right. Om Agyanam Timirandasya. Please repeat after me, okay? I know we cannot. Unmute all of you. But so wherever you are, you just repeat after I chant each mantra. Om Agyanam Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Gurave Namaha.
Nama Om.
Nama Om.
Upadaya. Vistaya.
Krishna
Bhutale Vedanta
Hare Krishna Saraswati Devi Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, you are muted. Can you please unmute
Krishna Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare
Give your names to
Krishna Rama
Krishna
Rama Hare Rama Hare Rama
YouTube.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, you are muted.
Go deeper and deeper, get the realizations.
Can go deeper and deeper and get realizations.
It says that as you develop your love for Krishna,
It says that as you develop your love for Krishna,
you'll see Krishna everywhere.
you will see Krishna everywhere.
Just like people who wear contact lenses,
Just like people who wear contact lenses,
I see things to the contact lenses.
they see things through the contact lenses.
As you have love for Krishna, your eyes will see Krishna everywhere.
As you have developed love for Krishna, your eyes will see Krishna everywhere.
Haribo.
Haribo.
Thank you all very much.
Thank you all very much. So Guru Maharaj was saying, those who have taken aspiring just now, you can give your names, the list to Namanishta Prabhu. And
What's the list?
Yeah, that's the list. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's the list?
Yeah. So those who have raised their hands, have raised their hands up. That is the list. So you can take the list and send it to Namanishta Prabhu, and he can send it over to the JPS office.
I want to see the name.
Oh. Spotlight.
Okay.
They are the host, Guru Maharaj.
The regular host.
Okay.
So now I'm going to stop.
Yes, Guru Maharaj.
Thank you very much.
So Namanishta Prabhu, thank you very much.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Puja Vranda Devi Dasi.
I wanted to see Linda on their YouTube.
Guru Maharaj is saying that he wants to see Radha Govinda on the YouTube if it is possible.
I want to see you.
I want to see you.
You're giving wonderful lectures.
You are giving wonderful lectures.
I can't see Radha Govinda.
But I can't see Radha Govinda.
I'm really glad you're active.
So I'm very glad that you are very active.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Her Grace Puja Vranda Devi Dasi would like to say vote of thanks. Hare Krishna, Puja Vranda Devi Dasi.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, my respectful obeisances to you. I'm very happy you joined us and you gave us blessings also. In future, we would like to have many more darshans like this. Please kindly bless us for this. And I'm very happy that you joined us on this occasion. Thank you very much. Then my
Okay.
Dandavat
All those
devotees.
devotees on the call, my blessings.
All those devotees who are on the call, my blessings.
Krishna Matya Astu.
Krishner Matirastu.
Radha Govinda Matya Astu.
Radha Govinda Matirastu.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you all devotees.
Thank you, Guru Maharaj.
Panchakalpa.
Panchakalpa.
Patitan.
Jai.
Hare Krishna. Thank you everybody for joining us. Hare Krishna.
Very much, Prabhuji. Thank you all devotees. Thank you, Shobha Mataji.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Thank you so very much for joining with us for today's program. It's really very wonderful to see you all here. Yes, we all got blessings from His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj, a great Vaishnava, direct disciple of Srila Prabhupada.
Yes.
We are all blessed today to have his darshan.
Yes.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Namanishta Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, so please write to me, those who wanted to take Aspire and be connected to him.
Prabhuji, these kids, let them present. They have prepared actually. Yes, Diya and can you present? They want, yes, you can unmute and you can start. Yadi Prabhupada no ito, they have prepared.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yadi Prabhupada na haita, tabe ki haita, I jivana bahita ki se. Yadi Prabhupada na haita, tabe ki haita, I jivana bahita ki se. Nitya gaurera apara karuna, ke detta sakala dese. Nitya gaurera apara karuna, ke detta sagala dese. Yadi Prabhupada na haita, tabe ki haita, I jivana bahita ki se. Vasate rajoto kapidura chari, shanyavadi mayavadi. Tadera udara koribare mana, henakundaya nidhi. Tadera udara koribare mana, henakundaya nidhi. Yadi Prabhupada na haito, tabe ki haito, I jivana bahita ki se. Tadera nikate kunjana asti, belaita horinam. Tadera nikate kunjana asti, belaita horinam. Shabya jiva rupe garite tadera, noito aguyan. Yadi Prabhupada na haito, tabe ki haito, I jivana bahita ki se. Dese dese hari vigraha seva, arati ratri dine. Dise dise hari vigraha seva, arati ratri dine. Ratradi Mahotsava Shobho, Sikaita Kunjane. Yadi Prabhupada na haito, tabe ki haito, I jivana bahita ki se. Gita Bhagavata Chaitanya Charito, Paramahamsa Rasasaro. Gita Bhagavata Chaitanya Charito, Paramahamsa Rasasaro. Karana Sundara Sarala Karya, ke budhaitare. यदि प्रभुपाद आना है तो तबे की है तो ये जीवन बहिता की से कथा कष्ट साही प्रीतमान राही के वादिता हरीना की दीता मोदेरा पुरी वृंदावन मायापुर माता दाम के दीता मोदेरा पुरी वृंदावन मायापुरा माता दाम यदि प्रभुपाद है तो तबे की है तो ये जीवन बहिता की से परम मंगल श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभुरा शिक्षा दान आचार्य प्रचारे सदा अमदेरे के कारित नियोजना आचार्य प्रचारे सदा अमदेरे के कारित नियोजना यदि प्रभुपाद आना है तो तबे की है तो ये जीवन बहिता की से प्रेम कल्पतरु नित्य गौरेरा प्रेम कल्पतरु नित्य गौरेरा कृपा कनला बीवारे निरावधि जय प्रतक हृदय तुम्हारा सर्व शरण करे निरावधि जय पटक हृदय तुम्हारे शरण करे यदि प्रभुपाद आना है तो तबे की है तो जीवन बहिता की से यदि प्रभुपाद आना है तो तबे की है तो जीवन बहिता की से नित्य गौरेरा अपार करुणा के देता सगल देश नित्य गौरेरा अपार करुणा के देता सगल देश यदि प्रभुपाद आना है तो तबे की है तो जीवन बहिता की से थैंक यू
Thank you so much. Yes. If Srila Prabhupada had not come, what would have happened? How could we have passed our lives? Who else would have distributed the unlimited mercy of Lord Nityananda and Lord Gauranga all over the world? So this was the meaning of that song. Thank you so much, dear devotees. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So shall we wind up? Shall we end the meeting or? Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Anything else you would like? Any announcement? Evening we have program.
Yeah, invite them for evening.
Evening there is a Shraddhavan program. So the invitation has been sent to your groups. Please check according to your timings. Please join the Zoom meeting. The same ID from 5 to 9. The program will be there. According to your language, you can join. Those who cannot join can watch live on YouTube. Hare Krishna.
Also, those who want to take Diksha, already the links are there. You can write to me, those who want to take Diksha. And those who want to take Aspire Shelter, please do write. Okay. Everybody knows my email ID, Namadas. Please write to me, those who want to take Diksha. I think our 120 people already registered. We will soon start a 3-month course for Diksha. So please do write to me.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thanks.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Diksha, Aspire, Shelter, please do write. Okay. Anybody we have will facilitate quickly. Hare Krishna.
Hare.
Thank you, everybody. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhascha kripasindhibhye vacha pattan Anant Koti Vaishnavindaki. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.